Meaning of fish farm.
Fish farm.
Fish farm.
Fish farm.
Fish farm. A fish farm is a form of aquaculture where fish are bred and raised in specially constructed ponds or tanks. These farms can be located in both freshwater and saltwater environments and are used to produce fish for human consumption, as well as for other purposes such as ornamental fish trade and scientific research. The practice of fish farming has become increasingly popular due to the rise in demand for fish and the decline of wild fish stocks. Overall, fish farms provide a means of sustainably producing fish while reducing the pressure on wild fish populations.